So, you're using AWeber and you need to change the sender details in your emails, but you're not sure where to find the settings or how to do it properly. You're in the right place. In just a couple of minutes, I'll show you exactly how to update your sender name, email, and reply to address in AWeber so your emails look professional and land where they should. Plus, stick around because I'll share a way to get an exclusive extended free trial of a better alternative with more customization and deliverability control. Alright, let's get straight into it. First, log into your AWeber account and head over to the List Settings section. This is where all your sender details live. Under the Basic Settings tab, you'll see the fields for your sender name and email address. Update them to whatever you want. Just make sure you use a domain-based email, not a generic Gmail or Yahoo one, because that can hurt deliverability. Next thing, if you want to change the reply to address, go to the List Settings page as well. This is important because AWeber doesn't automatically change your reply to email when you update your sender email. Double check this if you don't want responses going to the wrong place. Now, let's talk about a huge issue with AWeber. If you're using a free email like Gmail, your emails might not even reach inboxes due to MARC policies. That's why most email marketing tools, including AWeber, recommend using a professional email with your own domain. But unlike other platforms, AWeber's email verification process can feel a bit clunky compared to competitors that streamline domain authentication. Another thing, if you're managing multiple lists or brands, you have to manually change sender details for each list. AWeber doesn't let you set a default sender profile across multiple lists, which is a headache if you run multiple campaigns. And here's something you'll want to check, *** DKIM authentication ***. If you're serious about email marketing, setting up DKIM helps improve deliverability. AWeber does support it, but the setup process isn't as seamless as other platforms that auto-configure authentication for you. So, is AWeber the best choice for email marketing? Well, it's okay for beginners, but if you want better deliverability, automation, and control over sender details, there are stronger alternatives that do a much better job without the hassle. And that's where my exclusive free trial comes in. I've linked a better email marketing tool below that gives you more control over sender settings, better inbox placement, and easier automation. Plus, you get an extended free trial with exclusive perks just for my viewers. If you're serious about email marketing that actually lands in inboxes, check out the first link in the description. Try it out, compare it, and see the difference for yourself.